Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, November 8th. The Zen story for today is titled The Language That Wasn't Shared. The monk has decided it was time to understand the fox. Truly understand, not just observe its movements or infer its moods. He wanted to speak to it, connect, bridge the gap. So he began with words. "Hello," he said, bowing. The fox scratched its ear. "Do you understand?" The fox blinked slowly, then rolled onto its back. Undeterred, the monk tried sound. One evening he crouched just outside the cabin and barked, loudly, once, twice, then a third time with more depth. The forest went quiet. The fox, sitting nearby, let out a soft huff, then another. Then something between a sneeze and a wheeze, and then the unmistakable sound of laughing. Shoulders bouncing, mouth open, tongue lolling. The monk turned red. The next day he tried movement. He crept on all fours, tailing the fox. When the fox stopped, he stopped. When the fox squatted, he squatted. When the first fox curled up and licked its side, the monk paused, considered, then politely turned away. Still, the fox did not leave, which to the monk meant that he was getting somewhere. One morning, exhausted but determined, he knelt in front of the fox and asked, "What do I have to do to understand you?" The fox stared at him, then disappeared into the underbrush. The monk sighed. He remained kneeling, eyes closed, trying not to hope. Something thumped beside him. He opened his eyes. A dead mouse. Not torn, not mangled, just delivered, neatly. The monk stared at it, then at the fox, who now sat with its tail swaying casually as if offering the most reasonable answer in the world. "You want me to eat this?" the monk asked. The fox yawned loudly. The monk didn't eat the mouse, but he carried it to the edge of the woods and buried it with a small chant, unsure who the ceremony was for. That night he didn't bark, he didn't copy, he didn't ask. He just sat. The fox came close, circled him once, then curled up beside his cushion, their backs just barely touching. And in that closeness a strange understanding bloomed. No word had been spoken, no meaning clarified, but something had arrived between them, soft, warm, and complete. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. What questions are you carrying that cannot be answered with words? What questions are you carrying that cannot be answered with words? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What questions are you carrying that cannot be answered with words? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.